Okay, Advent of Code 2024, day 5. I've woken up at 5 a.m. for it, hoping for a much better time than yesterday where I really floundered for about 40 minutes on part 1. Not impressive. Okay, let's hope it doesn't crash this morning. Okay. Both pages X and Y. If both page on X and page on Y to be produced as part of an update, must be printed at some point before. Both page on X and that to be produced. If they're both to be produced, X must be printed at some point before. So that's 97 must be before 47. Okay. So match, if we got that in. I call them here X and Y equals split on that. I'm just going to call that temp for now. No. Lines.match is not a function. What? It's not a function. Sorry, filter. Okay, what are we console.logging here? The rules. What the heck? What am I doing? I'm going completely wrong here. Lines.filter. It should have a thing in. So why are you coming through? Yeah, okay. Lines.filter. Why do I have that within pairs? I don't have a line in. I got it the wrong way around. Test string. How is that found in there? I need a backslash, okay. Fine. Okay, I've got my pairs, and then for each pair I'm going to split it on that. I've got my rules. And they should be numbers. Okay, I've got my numbers. The page distribution in each update. I can't figure out which update it is. The first section specifies the page ordering rules, one per line. The first rule means if an update includes both page infos and the page info before immediately before the page. Okay, the second section specifies the page info for each update. Because most safety measures are different, the pages needed in the update are different too. The first update means that the update consists of page numbers. Order stop. Which updates are already in the right order? The first update is in the right order. Okay. It's correct first because it's 47 is correct. That's correct. Okay. That does not include some. Yeah, fine. Also in the correct order according to the rules, like the first update. Do not include every page number. Only some of the order rules apply. Yeah, I get that. Not in the correct order. The fifth update is not. The last update is not. Currently only printing the correctly ordered pages. You will need to find the middle number of each correctly ordered. These have numbers. Adding these page numbers together gives. Okay, fine. So I've got my rules. What am I looking for here? Commas in it. Updates. Okay. So what's the strategy here? I'm going to go through each rule and check it is met somehow. So we're not having to order these first. We just need to check the 47s before 53 if they're in it. These will just be pairs. So I'm going to find the index of these. Index of how do you find which element of an array it is? find that rule. Check each rule against the update, right? So, so we've got rule 0 and rule 1 we need to check. If update. I equals rule 1. If 0 is more than, and 1. It's already in the correct order. So update length divided by 2. So what if it's 2.5 minus 1? So if we've got 5, the length is 5, we want the number 2. So halve it and then round down. We want that. Ooh. We want that, do we? Maybe? Ooh, this doesn't seem very efficient. Oh no, it's just getting slowly. Okay, I'm getting the right numbers. Let's look at the input. Is my code efficient enough there? Or is it woefully inefficient? Let's give it a console.logs. 6612. Okay, 14 minutes, not awful. Let's go to part 2. While the hours get to work printing the correctly ordered updates, you have a little time to fix the rest of them. For each incorrect one, so that will be the ones that aren't valid here, rules to put the page numbers in the right order. Okay. For the above example, here are the 3 incorrectly ordered pages. Let's go back to that example again. So 47. So these two got switched around because, okay. Only the incorrectly ordered updates. So what we're doing, just flipping around we're literally just flipping those around. So if valid equals false here, and that might surely invalidate some other rule. Maybe it doesn't. So instead of saying valid equals false, we're going to flip them around. This is bound to fail, surely. I need to loop around again or something. Update. Here for each rule. Update found 0 equals 1, right? And then equals temp. Is that what we're doing? Okay, that's really not working. That is a very big number. I am using the correct input, right? Oh no, that's still way off. What was it meant to be before? It was 143. So what have I got now? In what way have I messed up here? So the one that starts 75, 97 in it. Should now be 97, 75, 47, 61, 53. It is 61, 13, 29, 29, 13, that is, and 97, 13, etc. Oh, so I've got that one different from that one, haven't I? Use the page rank rules to put the page numbers in the right order. So it was this 97, 13, 75, 29, 47. What have I done? I've rearranged it. It should be 97, 75. So is this not correct then? I need a while statement here, don't I? So I guess I want to make it, I want to say valid equals false and then rerun the rules on it. So I want to do all of this while valid equals, well, not valid, I think. Yeah, possibly. No. 97, 75, 47. 29, 20, 29, 13, that one's correct. I'll take it only the incorrectly ordered updates. So you're only looking at their numbers. Have I got it in the right order? 47, 29, 13. False. Oh my goodness. I did. So I'm going to say was invalid. Invalid. If was invalid. Okay, now we're getting 1, 2, 3. Let's get rid of that console.logging. And go to the input. 4944. Nice. That wasn't so long today. So let's have a look how people got on today on the leaderboard. How quickly did people do it? 1 minute. I can't believe that was done without an AI. 4 minutes to get on that leaderboard. 22 minutes that took me, or 21 minutes, something like that. I definitely did better on the second part than the first part. Let's have a look. How do I find my leaderboard here? Personal times. So yeah, 14 minutes for that first bit, and then up to 22 for the second. So my rank on the second was better. So I did worse on the first part. That's my best rank so far on the second part. Let's have a look through the code. Yeah, I wasted time up here, didn't I? I forgot you needed a backslash before bar. I'm quite happy with my solution here. It wasn't anything too bad with it at all. Just got a little bit muddled here. I quite liked, yeah, how I managed to use this invalid flag to solve that second part of it. Anyway, that was Advent of Code 2024, day 5.